Good morning, student. Standard 7th, our fourth lesson, angles and pairs of angle. In that, our subtopic it is there, vertically opposite angle. Now, what is mean by vertically opposite angle? Opposite rays we are understood. What the opposite ray? Now, suppose a ray. We know the angle. There are two arms are there. This is a acute angle triangle because it is a less than 90. Then right angle triangle whose measurement it is a 90. Then afterward obtuse angle triangle whose measurement it is more than 90. The straight angle whose measurement is 180. More than 180 it is called reflex angle. And the complete angle's measurement is 360. That we are studied. But here opposite ray means what? The ray whose having two rays are there who having a common origin and these two rays forming a straight angle. It is called as opposite ray. Now common origin if I said as a B. So ray BA and ray BC are two opposite ray having a common origin and they are forming as a straight angle, so we can tell ray AC is a opposite ray. Now what is mean by the vertically opposite angle? Vertically opposite angle means the arms those are forming a angle by a opposite ray. Now two opposite rays are there. Suppose this is AB, it is one opposite ray, and CD it is another opposite ray, and because of this intersection they having a O as a intersection, and how many angles they are forming? 1 2 3 4. I will put it number 1 2. This is 3 and 4. These four angles are forming. Then the one exactly opposite to 3, these two are called as a opposite angle, these two, and this one it is opposite to this. 2 and 4 are the opposite to each other, so it is called as opposite angle. Then there is one property is there. What is that property? Vertically opposite angles are always congruent. How it is, we will just prove that. Opposite angle, you understood that the angle which are formed by the arms of the two opposite rays, it is called as opposite angle. So one is opposite to the angle 3 and angle 2 is opposite to the angle 4. Now their property is what? Opposite angles always congruent, otherwise we can tell they are in a same measurement. How that we will just check it. Suppose our two opposite, that is again AB and CD I am taking, and O is their point of intersection. Suppose my one angle measurement it is suppose at the 75 degree. Then if angle AOD it is 75 degree, then angle DOB it is forming linear pair, you can tell, otherwise it is a straight angle. Then what is the measurement of this? Then 180 minus 75, I got 105. Okay, one more, you just observe that angle AOD is forming a linear pair to the AOC, otherwise straight angle. Again 180 minus 75, what we got? 105. Okay, now you just check it. Here also I got 105, here also 105. Then both are congruent or not? This is also I got 105. Again if you are said seeing BOD, angle BOD, angle BOD is linear pair forming with BOC, and then again they are forming 180 minus 105, what you are getting as a 75. Then you observe that opposite angle 1 and these 3 are congruent and these 2 are congruent. So vertically opposite angles are always congruent. In the textbook you just see these are our the vertically opposite angle, and in that this vertical opposite angle definition you have to write the angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be its opposite angle. What is the property? After this definition property you have to write this one, they shown by a plus d, like that I explain you. So what the property? The vertically opposite angle formed when two lines intersect are of equal measurement. Means the opposite angle when forming two lines they are always equal or congruent. Understood? Then our practice set 20. Practice set 20, first sum it is there. AC and BD intersect at a point P. I am just explaining. See, practice set our, this is AC and DB, P is a point, and here 47 they are given. Look here, they said angle APD, it is a 47 degree. Find a measure of angle APB, then BPC and CPD. Once again, how I explain like that, these two angles means angle APD and angle APB are forming linear pair. So 180 minus, you have to write angle APB plus angle APD, which is equal to 180. What the reason you have to write? Linear pair. Linear pair. They are forming linear pair. Now APB I don't know, but APD I know. Then angle APB plus 47, which is equal to 180 degree. This 47 you send here. So we will get angle APB, which is equal to 180 minus 47. Then 10 minus 7, 3, 1 carry. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3 and 1. 133, it is the angle of APB. Now 133 you got. So this is 47. This is 133. Now you just tell angle APD, which is equal to measure of angle BPC. Why? Vertically opposite angle. And measure of angle APB, which is equal to angle DPC or CPD, 133. Why? Because vertically opposite. Means once you calculate this, but this angle is congruent to this is 47, this angle is congruent to this 133. Like that you have to solve it. Now second question we will see. Second, look here, line PQRS intersected M and angle PMR is x degree. What is the measure of angle? All this. So how we will do? See, we don't know. They said PQ. This is PQ R S intersecting M. This is x degree. If this is x degree, then its opposite angle this also x degree. And if it is x degree, it is forming a linear pair with this. Then 180 minus x, we will get this is 180 minus x, 180, because this two addition is 180. And if this is 180 minus x, then angle RMQ also, because it is vertically opposite, this is 180 minus x. This way you have to calculate. So practice set you have to complete this 20 and this one. Then next topic we will see next video. Okay, goodbye.